YouTube, what's going on, man? So we got a little mod for you guys today. It's been one that I've been waiting for a really long time. I'm going to show you guys what it is. We already kind of opened it up. Show you guys. See, straight from BMW. Throw that on the floor. You could see it's that new, I think it's the ZHP Short Shifter. Thing's pretty sweet, dude. It should be it's weighted as well, so it should be nice. Way better than the current one I have on right now. So we'll show you guys. Super easy to install. You just pop off the old one, put this guy in, and that's all it is, and should give you 30 more horsepower just like that. So yeah, so come on in. I'm gonna go, and once you go film from this side, I'm gonna go from the other side. Alright, so all you gotta do is just pop this, take both hands, just pop it off like that. There it goes. It's a little could be a little difficult at times, but that's all it really is. Definitely lost something in here, so I'm gonna grab that. Yep, I lost this little piece. So on the old one, this piece hooks in like that, and this is what the old one looks like, and here's what the new one looks like. So about, if we, as you can see, it's about this, I'm gonna say maybe a little bit smaller, but it's about the same. But yeah, over the years, there's just the leather has been just worn out and just messed up on this guy. So I just wanted to get the weight. As far as the weight, I think they're both about the same. Maybe this one just has a little bit more weight to it. But yeah, I'm gonna throw my boot back on here and throw the shifter on. All right, get all of that situated. There we go. And the easy part, this just goes in like so. A little tap. Alright, that's all there is to it. Now it's installed. Yeah, it's in there. So in comparison, the old one and the new one. Alright, so I'm gonna go on we'll go a little drive and give you my impressions and thoughts, because I've seen a lot of E90s that have the really long shifter, and they upgrade to the ZHP. So just in case, if you're one of the few that have the M Sport one and you want to upgrade to this particular shift knob, I'll tell you my thoughts to see if it's worth it, if it's worth the 90 bucks. Yeah, so let's cut back to you guys in a second, and we'll go on a drive. Ready? Alright, so we're gonna give you guys our first impression of driving it. As you can see, we got the shifter on there, and I gotta say the leather feels really nice. Definitely a refresh from the older shifter, and it's just I feel like it's just a nice grip. Definitely a nice grip. And one other thing that I noticed is it feels more solid. My other shifter was a little loose because of, you know, almost 100,000 miles on the car, so it felt a little loose. This one just feels, it just feels good. It just feels right. So would say definitely money well spent. And yeah, next up is gonna be the actual short shifter, short throw shifter itself. So the whole mechanical part is going to come out, and we're going to throw in a Dinan short throw shifter. So as you can see right now, like the throws are super long. I'll do it with my other hand. So that's first gear, and then second gear all the way over here. And there's not a lot of feedback. There is, but it's just not as much as, you know, I would like. So with the Dinan, it should be every time you shift, it should be a nice little clunk. So from first to second, it should be a clunk, and then, you know, it should be very nice. So I can't wait for that. Guys, check out that video coming out soon. And yeah, so give you a little exhaust clip, and then we'll catch you guys in the next video. So enjoy this little exhaust clip. And we have our fellow police officer waiting for us over there, ready to greet us. Hopefully he doesn't follow us. He looks cool. Anyways, I enjoy it. I like it. I give it a solid 9 out of 10, or probably a 10 out of 10 with the Dinan kit installed on there. So yeah, thanks for checking it out. See you guys next time.